holding me back. Gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Hi, and welcome to the channel. First, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the B minor, composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. Then you will have the E major, composed of the E, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of E. And then the A major, composed of the E, the A, and the C sharp, and the bass note of A. Let me remind you that you can download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the chords. So there are two ways you can play this introduction, either with chords or with the melody. Let's look at the melody first. And what I highly recommend to do is placing your first finger on the A note, second finger on the B, third finger on the C sharp, and pinky on the E note. Because these four notes are the only ones that you will need to play the melody. You will then be able to play the notes indicated in the table, so just like this. A, B, C sharp, B, 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 A, E, C sharp. Okay? So it would go like this. And now here's the table if you only want to play the chords. So and right after this, we will have the first verse. So let me display the table for you, and keeping the same method, here's how it'll sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you just repeat this table once more. And now with the lyrics. Holding me back. Gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? And repeat this table once more with the next lyrics. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. Okay, so I actually have very good news for you. This table right here is the only one you will need to play this song entirely. So repeat this table in a loop. And I will sing the chorus right now just to prove this point. You know it's not the same as it was, as it was, as it was. You know it's not the same. Second verse. So just keep repeating this table over and over again until the end. I wish you good luck, and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.